At CJWinter, we're constantly looking for ways to make your job easier. One example is the calculator section of our website. Here you can find the following calculators. Let's take a quick look at each. In the pitch and blank diameter calculator, you first choose your thread size from the drop-down or the slider. Next, choose the desired pitch and click Calculate Your Diameters. It then calculates your pitch and blank diameters, minimum and maximum. Next up is the Material Thread Rollability Calculator. Enter your material's elongation, tensile strength, the units for the tensile strength, and material hardness. Now click Calculate to determine if the material can be thread rolled for the three material properties independently. Green indicates it can be rolled, yellow might be able to be rolled, and red cannot be rolled. Inside our thread load calculator, select the material, blank diameter, thread length, and the CJWinter attachment that you'll be using. Click Calculate to display the values. The calculator will display the approximate load required to roll the thread with the material and geometry specified, the load that specified attachment will generate at the 80 psi and 100 psi rolling pressure, and the red or green background is a quick visualization to confirm the thread can be rolled for each of the 80 and 100 psi values. Finally, the penetration rate calculator. Select if you're threading or knurling, then select the corresponding TPI range, the hardness range, and the number of starts. Click Calculate to display the values. This will calculate and display the recommended part revolutions and compensator revolutions to manufacture a part. We're always adding to the knowledge database that is our website. So check back often. Visit CJWinter.com today.